my Valentine's, yeah. Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so